我在北京。
Hello and welcome to the Imperial broadcast. Today, I, General Clovis, brings to you a very important theme for the citizens of Proxima 3. We are going to be talking about polar vortexes, and in a simple way that you can understand, polar vortexes are areas of low pressure that surround both of Proxima 3's poles. And some things that you should know about polar vortexes is that they always exist near the poles. They also weaken in the summer because it's warm in the summer, but they are strongest in the winter. Last but not least, but for all the people that would like to understand, what polar vortex means, and for all the nerds, the term vortex refers to the counterclockwise flow of air that helps keeps colder air near the poles. Now you're gonna ask, what impacts does a polar vortex do? Well, to answer your question, some effects that a polar vortex does is when it's in its full swing, it disrupts weather. It becomes a disrupt in weather patterns. It also, which that leads to extreme cold, winter storms, and unusual temperature fluctuations. And now, the most important thing you have to listen to. So, in order to stay safe in a polar vortex, you should do a few things. One of those things is to prioritize staying indoors. For example, like this cabin right here. This is a exclusive Imperial cabin made by the Empire, just made for these We're gonna ignore that, but this cabin is specifically made for these kind of conditions. And yeah, you should also wear extra layers. Not how I am wearing this thin layer of clothing. Stay indoors, of course. And also, be aware. Hypothermia is a thing to all the idiots out there who do not know what hypothermia is. Also, another thing is you have to worry about maybe your pipes freezing. This house doesn't have to worry about that because the pipes automatically get heated. So, for example, I'd just like to say this. I'm kind of cold, and I'm saying this right now. Don't be like me, who's suffering out in the cold. You know what? It's actually so cold out. I'm gonna actually go inside. Paraplegic Travis Scott, what are you doing here?
I'm being freezing.
Do you have anything to say?
Bird!
Guard, get this man out of here. And with that, this is your broadcaster, General Clovis, sign off. And as always, long live the Empire.
我在北京。